Hi, I'm Brittany Hopkins. I'm so glad you're here. The class you're about to take is one that I recorded while teaching the Container Collective Yoga community. And I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed teaching it. And let it be there as it is. And then bring forward an intention, how it is that you would like to feel. Inhale, come up to tabletop. Exhale, take downward facing dog. If you need movement, take movement. Just let the movement be from a place of kindness, not judgment about how your body's feeling. Just be with what is. Ragdoll, walk your feet to your hands. Let your head and spine hang heavy. Lift your 10 toes, spread them out, create some action from the floor. And breathe out. Roll up to extended mountain pose, breathe in. Draw hands into heart center, breathe out. We'll open with one big Om, inhale. Deep breath in. Release your hands by your side. Stand tall. Breathe out. Extended mountain pose. Inhale. Bow forward. Exhale. Flat back. Inhale. Pull the shoulders straight back. High plank. Exhale. Hug leg muscles to bones. Breathe in. Low plank. Breathe out. Upward dog. Breathe in. Downward dog. Breathe out. Roll forward to high plank. Breathe in. Low plank. Breathe out. Inhale, upward dog. See what you're looking at. Downward facing dog. Breathe out. One more time. High plank. Breathe in. Low plank. Breathe out. Upward dog. Inhale. Downward dog. Exhale. Kick your right leg up in the air. Breathe in. Draw knee to nose. Breathe out. Kick back. Breathe in. Draw knee to right elbow. Exhale. Kick back. Inhale. Draw knee to left elbow. Exhale. Kick back. Breathe in. Crescent lunge. Breathe out. Stay high on the ball of the back heel. Reach your arms overhead. Pull the right hip back. Lift the front of the pelvis up. Inhale here. Exhale, twist to the right, vertical twist. Back up to crescent lunge, arms high, breathe in. Vertical twist to the left, breathe out. Reach your arms back overhead, breathe in. Take a gentle back bend, exhale, cactus the arms. Inhale, stretch your arms high. Exhale, high to low plank. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Kick your left leg up in the air, breathe in. Draw knee to nose, exhale. Kick back, breathe in. Knee to left elbow, exhale. Kick back, inhale. Knee to right elbow. Kick back, inhale. Low lunge. Crescent lunge, inhale. Drive the front heel down into the mat to pull the left hip back, right hip forward. Inhale, lift the sides of the body up. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, swing your arms high. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, arms high. Back bend, exhale. Inhale, extend. Exhale, high to low plank. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Full inhale. Empty exhale. Rise up onto your toes. Breathe in. Look forward on your exhale. Step or jump to the front of the mat. Flat back, inhale. Fold, exhale. Extended mountain pose. Breathe in. Dancer, right leg back. Grab onto your right inner ankle for either a quad stretch, or you can take your foot back. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Soften in your standing leg. Take one more breath in here. Exhale, kick your leg back. Extended mountain pose, breathe in. Dancer, left leg back. So you could take a quad stretch if that feels more needed, or grab onto your ankle and kick gently back. You're not super warm, so just be easy about it. Take another breath in. Breathe out. Extended mountain pose, inhale. Tree, right foot up. Set your gaze. So you can look at one thing out in front of you while setting up the pose and expanding in the pose. Switch sides. One more breath in. Press your leg and foot together. Go up and back. Breathe out. Mountain pose. Inhale. Bow forward. Empty. Flat back. Breathe in. High to low plank. Breathe out. Upward dog. Inhale. Downward dog. Exhale. Triangle. Right foot forward. Lift and spread the toes. Soften in both knees so you can squeeze your legs together safely. Take another breath in. Go deeper, breathe out. Star pose, inhale. Into horse pose, heels in, toes out, breathe out. You can either touch your palms together at the center of your chest or cactus your arms out to the sides. Lift your toes, press the big toe mounds and center of each heel down to sit 2 inches lower. One more breath in. Squeeze in, go lower, breathe out. Expand up, breathe in. High to low plank, breathe out. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Left foot forward, triangle pose. Deep breath in. Soften in both knees. See your top thumb, breathe out. Another breath in. Deeper breath out. Press in both heels into the mat to rise up, star pose. Into side facing wide leg forward fold with a bind. Either clasp your hands behind your back or bring your hands to your hips to open the chest. Breathe, Ujjayi breath. Use this last exhale to go even deeper. Exhale, fold. Press into the heels, soften the knees, rise up, star pose. High to low plank, exhale. Upward dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Right foot forward, low lunge for half camel. Lower your back knee down to the mat. Reach your arms overhead. Pull the right hip back. Bring left hand to low back and cactus the right arm out to the side. You could push your back of your head into your hand to go deeper. Switch sides. Breathe as you go. Pull the left hip back, square the hips. Lift up, lengthen, then place the hand at the hip or press your head into the back of your left hand. One more breath. Pull pit of belly to spine, breathe out. Downward facing dog. Half pigeon, right leg forward, inhale. Exhale, go down. Steady breath in. Breathe out, be kind as you invite in new possibilities. One more breath here. Downward facing dog. Half pigeon, left leg forward. Downward facing dog. Baddha Konasana. Come to a seat, press the soles of the feet together. Inhale, sit up tall. And grab onto your ankles and then press your elbows into your inner thighs to fold. You're welcome to stay here or extend your right leg forward for a seated forward fold or a seated single leg extension. One more breath. Full deeper exhale. Switch sides if you took the seated single leg extension. One more breath. Go deeper still. It's time to go upside down for just about 5 breaths. So you could take headstand, handstand, or shoulder stand. I'm going to take waterfall pose. Steady your gaze to one spot. Pull the pinky toe edges of your feet down towards your face. One more breath in. Breathe out. Supine twist with one or both knees to the right, just for 2 breaths. One more breath. Switch sides, breathe in. Breathe out. One more breath in. Breathe out. Back to center, either Supta Baddha Konasana or Happy Baby. And Shavasana, final relaxation. Just give yourself about 1 minute here to just be. Come back to your normal, natural breathing. And just be. As you're ready, roll over to your right side into a fetal position. And take a moment here to acknowledge yourself. Like 20 minutes getting on your mat. So good. Like a million times better than nothing. So really, like, acknowledge yourself. So good. Your eyes closed. Come up to a seated position. Touch your palms together in prayer. And bring your intention back to mind that you picked at the beginning of your practice and set it as your intention for the rest of the day, or pick something new here. One Om, inhale. Touch your thumbs to the middle of your forehead. May all beings everywhere be blessed with happiness and freedom. May the thoughts, words, and actions of our own lives contribute to that happiness and freedom for all. We bow forward and together we say thank you. Give yourself the hand.